Hello all, my name is Shubham Lashkan and today I am excited to present you my first paid course on Udemy. The title of the course is Salesforce Lightning Web Components for Beginners. So in this course you will learn some basic concepts of LWC, and this course is currently available at a discount, so I will give the link into the description below. So first of all, let me go ahead and show you the content, like what we will develop in this course and what you will learn. So I will first of all open my Salesforce org and show you the designs which we will develop in this course. As you can see on my screen, this tweet ideas component we will develop in this course. So you will be able to fetch the information from Salesforce and display in the LWC component. As you can see on the left hand side, these 5 values coding to unpopular opinion. These fields are values of a picklist field. So we will first fetch this picklist field value set using UIObjectInfoAPI, which will use the wire decorator. So you will also learn about wire decorator, and then whenever a user clicks on any of these buttons based on the value provided, these tweet ideas are fetched from the Salesforce org. You will learn how to develop this cool looking animated design and this cool looking card along with these buttons and icons. So you will learn how to create these buttons in LWC along with designing this button, which will require you the knowledge of SLDS. So we will also give a look into the SLDS. We will also use these lightning icons, and as you can see on screen, when user click on this save button, this toast notification is coming up. So you will learn how to display this toast notification, and once the user click on the save button, these tweets are getting saved into the local storage of a user. And if a user click on this button again, and if the tweet is already saved, then you can see the toast notification color has been changed. Now when user click on this copy button, as you can see a modal is popped up. So you will learn how to do parent to child communication and child to parent communication as well. So as you can see, if I click on copy button, a modal is coming up and this content is copied to the clipboard. So if I go back to this a new tab and try to paste it, you can see it is pasted. So this is how you will be able to copy the content. Now when user click on the post button, external URL is opened, as you can see on screen. So these are various things which you will learn in this course. So I hope this course will help you to get started with LWC. So I would like to request you all who are interested in learning LWC, or who wanted to get started with LWC, or want to revise the basic concepts of LWC, then go ahead and purchase my course. The link is in the description. Currently the course is set at the price of rupees 449, but the original price of the course is 799. So go ahead, purchase the course and get started with your learning. Thank you very much.